This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the Sprint Booster, which is supposed to improve throttle response in vehicles. So let's take a look in these boxes and see what is included in the kits. And so we have two kits here. First kit is for the Lincoln Town Car. The other one is for this Lamborghini Murcielago here. One interesting thing when I ordered this kit, it said on the website it was listed as a just 2011 Crown Victoria, but the interesting thing is when you look up at this sticker up here, it says 2005 to 2011. So my suspicions were correct, and I will be installing this in my town car, and I look forward to that. This one it fits a 04 to 08 Lamborghini Gallardo, and also the Murcielago 04 to 2010, which pretty much covers almost all of them, except for the earlier years. So let's take a look in these boxes and see what's included. All right, let's take a peek. What do we have? So, looks like we have the user guide, installation instructions, a little pack here with a zip tie, and it looks like double-sided adhesive. And here is the Sprint Booster unit, and you can actually see, look how small this thing is. So it's about the size of your thumb. Lift that out, and there's the cable with a plug. You just gently put that down, and then in here is a jumper cable that is connected together each end, which you just disconnect in the vehicle, and then you plug the end of the Sprint Booster unit itself into that. All right, so we're going to pack this one up, and we'll open the Lamborghini one. And let's open the Lamborghini kit. And pretty much same thing as the other kit there. All the same stuff, user guide, sticky stuff. Same unit, so it looks like all these units are absolutely the same. And then this is a different harness for the Lamborghini. And it looks pretty simple to hook up, and we will be doing a future video on that. One thing about the Murcielago that has always bothered me about the car is the lack of throttle response from a dead stop. So I'm hoping that this helps things out. I already do have an ECU tune, so I think this is just the icing on the cake. You are not going to get any extra power out of the car, like horsepower wise or anything. It's just supposed to make the gas pedal more sensitive. So we'll get these in both cars. I'm probably going to start out with the town car and test from there. And then we'll do it in the Lamborghini as well. And that'll do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.